That's the idea behind the light bulb. Let's rethink what we do every day. We make grinding, milling, turning, work holding, and other accessories. We've been in business for over 125 years. With the Rethinking Normal, we decided to step back and take a look at us and say, are we providing the customer with a complete solution they need? So this was the idea. Let's turn the light on, change our thinking. So we made the light bulb in the T51, do a super precision grind on it. We partnered up with Autodesk to help program the base, which would normally be done in a lathe, but we decided to do it in a mill, showing the capability that our machines have. This here is an example of where we can go up to 5-axis machining. This is a 4+1 machine, so it is 4 simultaneous, 1 positioning axis. The original part was done on 7 machines. It took over 40 hours to do the setup on those machines, and it had a 5-hour run time just to process. We partnered with Autodesk, put it on our V320 5F 4+1 machine, did some tilted work plane programming. We were able to reduce that setup time down to 1 machine, 2 holdings, so you do an A load. Using high-speed Sumitomo cutters, we were able to machine a lot of material away. We now flip it over, finish the machining on that in a second load, and now we can do it in about 30 minutes. By using 1 machine, the 4+1 rotary tables, and high-speed programming and high-speed tooling, we can also reduce the setup time down from 40 hours to just a few hours. So the demo parts that we're showing off today is Hardinge rethinking what we do every day. How do we provide that total solution? What can we do to provide that part to a customer?